Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today, we're turning up the heat as we explore the top 100 modern outdoor kitchen design ideas. From sleek minimalism to functional innovation, we've got it all. Join us on this culinary journey through cutting-edge outdoor kitchen designs that not only serve up style, but also sizzle with creativity. Let's kick things off with contemporary culinary spaces. Modern outdoor kitchens are more than just cooking areas. They're extensions of your home. We'll explore how clean lines, stainless steel appliances, and minimalist design elements come together to create a sophisticated outdoor cooking experience. Now, let's talk about the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. Modern outdoor kitchens often blur the lines between the interior and exterior, creating a harmonious flow. Discover how open layouts, sliding glass doors, and consistent design elements can transform your backyard into a culinary oasis. In this section, we're diving into innovative appliance integration, from built-in grills with smart technology to outdoor refrigerators that blend seamlessly with cabinetry. These ideas are all about marrying functionality with a sleek, high-tech aesthetic. Your outdoor kitchen has never been this advanced. Let's talk surfaces and materials. Modern outdoor kitchens often feature sleek countertops, weather-resistant cabinetry, and statement-making backsplashes. We'll explore how the right choice of materials can not only withstand the elements, but also elevate the overall design of your outdoor cooking space. No outdoor kitchen is complete without a chic dining and entertaining area. Modern designs focus on creating inviting spaces for guests, from trendy bar setups to cozy seating arrangements. Discover how to seamlessly blend cooking and socializing for the ultimate contemporary entertaining experience. Let's shed some light on the importance of lighting in modern outdoor kitchens. Ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting all play a crucial role in creating the right mood. We'll showcase how well-placed lighting fixtures can transform your outdoor kitchen into a stylish and functional nighttime hotspot. In this section, we're bringing the outdoors in with a focus on greenery and natural elements. Modern outdoor kitchens often incorporate planters, herb gardens, and natural textures to soften the sleek design. Learn how to strike the perfect balance between modernity and nature in your outdoor culinary haven. We've got some more amazing outdoor storage solutions waiting for you at the end of this video, so keep watching for even more inspiration to transform your outdoor space. There you have it, our top 100 modern outdoor kitchen design ideas, showcasing the best in contemporary culinary style. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a modern masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design inspiration, and let us know your favorite ideas in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing and cooking.